how to turn on learned routes on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's find and select the settings. From the list of settings, all you need to do is find here the navigation. The navigation should be located somewhere here. Then let's select the second option, which is the routing preferences. Now you may scroll down, and if you scroll down here, you can enable use learned routes. An intelligent predictive feature, when enabled, the car monitors and stores your daily driving behaviors. If you constantly ignore the GPS instructions to take a specific shortcuts back home or to work, the car will learn your custom path preferences and automatically calculate that specific route variation in future routing. So I think it's quite useful. Let me enable this feature. Let me record my trips to learn, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.